So just like there are special populations in the general population, there's also special populations or unique populations, if you will, in the gifted. So we have levels of giftedness, but then we also have different special populations that we need to look at. We have different ways of identifying them. They may look different in the classroom based on culture, home life, what's going on personally, social emotional. So what I'm talking about is, first of all, I'm going to mention Twice Exceptional. Twice Exceptional is going to talk about the students who have learning disabilities, but are very gifted as well. So it's a dichotomy, if you will, because you have the very high ability and potential, but you have that special need, the learning disability that is getting in the way of scoring and school performance or writing or whatever that case may be, whether it's auditory processing, visual spatial, whether it's reading disabilities, anything and everything. There's also things like clinical anxiety that also comes into test scores and performance. And these are all very common in the gifted population. We'll get a little bit more into that in our other courses, really take a deeper dive on these, but also non-dominant cultures in the US have different emphasis on home life and performance in school and expectations that family puts on students as well that can change the way they look in the classroom as far as their performance goes. So it's another indicator that we really need to take a look at multi measures, if you will, when we're looking at giftedness and try to identify them. So you're going to have their portfolio or work or universal screening, but you also are going to have things like what kind of questions they ask. Are they the students who ask profound questions, but then their scores on the test don't show it? So there's different things we're going to look at as we dive a little bit deeper into this. But socioeconomic level also plays a part in identifying gifted students and finding those students. So there's all kinds of special populations within the gifted population as well. But they also all make these students appear a little different in the classroom. So we're going to talk through that briefly in this as an overview in this course, and then dive deeper in a course specifically talking about those things. So we'll move forward and talk a little bit more about that. Thank you.